Hello guys, once again welcome back to FreshTalk. This is me Zilian Bang Kome. Today I'm going to answer your question. Last week I have posted in my community that I'm going to answer after 2-3 days. So thank you very much to those who asked the question. I'm going to reply all the question. The question from Hizilo upon Zimel up song rame upload te gai lo. Hale rame katsibe pepa kan upload te gai gule chuna tai kan hale katsibe ga jina upload te ni lu te rang gadle sida dang nong sia chula gui kwa jam mo. Hale katsibe pepa biga upload te gai gule seven so rang alam. From Zimel lyrics. So it's better to check out what is that. My question is, who inspired you to start producing your own video on YouTube? Yes, that is an interesting question. Actually, I don't have any particular person, but here in my local there are some YouTubers and creators who inspired by their videos. I was inspired after watching Talks TV, Haflong Vlogs, and Tugli TV. They are from my locality. I like watching and I like to produce local videos from Saming Pungsame. Christian Metelu Daigum taksiak na hang le te bam lo hang le te ma hang ga video te gai lo nang go video pelu ze ali wong da hang ga. Wow, interesting question. Nang question lo lu zam sui da hang le te je bam hang ga video te le lo se da ile ja po hang ga idea ga da po an sai na ga ra te se ta ko ra ja kan nei ko se I le do na te par hang ga I try te le de go me su do religious ke fake te ko ram religious ke lung sang te ko ram zai ku lu ja po video te le ro hang ga zai na kan dui be didi be ke conference didi be ta lu ja jimna me video pi ga lu ja li wang rang ga te le ka se be nang so ara la le. Next question is from Ki Isang le Dice. I just want to ask you that will you invite me on your birthday? You will be special invited on my birthday. So my birthday is on this week, that is on 3 March. You are invited to be there on my birthday. I will be waiting you. From Leibam Daime. Leibam Daime. I'm going to read it out your question. Laigum te design mobile display siadi ba the repair te along. Yes. This question is that how to repair broken display. Siadi be te talo ka chi be ja sai ki na chi da be ja repair te rang ga order te lo design na nang chi da be te lu te lo sui ba mu de. Question from Brazil Kome. Tak te lu me. This question is that whether I have taken dinner or not. Yes, taka te lu de taka te bang rai le bam bang ko da tak te lu da. Kim gu highlight. Yes. Our question is that hello, I question to you, how can we remove the corruption in Haflong? Yes, very interesting question. To eradicate corruption in our town, in our district, firstly we need to focus on education. Education is the best way to eradicate or to remove corruption in our district. Corruption is begin when we are in greedy of money. And not only that, it's better to choose a good leader who is a lovely and loving person who can serve the people. A leader who are corrupt in our area, so we should throw it away. Here again another question. Rasam Bear Riame. Yes, kau tahu te beja nanggo video upload te tadi lo. He asked me why I have stopped uploading new videos. So yes, here the answer will be like this. You can do it at the can do it go ke zai na the time lu rang ga klo ga bam di ka save na upload te tadi le. So na upload te today can do video ram le upload te bam go le. Nang nu na subscribe te nang nu support te bam be je ga na. Nang nu na pi te bam be je gui je bam be nem sui de le. Yeah, season 3. Great season 3. Yes, he asked me, why does the truck have 4 wheels and auto have only 3 wheels? Yes, it is an interesting topic and it is an interesting question. How he come this idea? Generally, an auto is smaller than the truck. Yes, auto is smaller, so it have only 3 wheels. Truck is big in size, so truck have 4 wheels. Yeah, okay, dia riame. Nang go channel, tona subscribe te right lang law. That's me, who is the first subscriber of my channel. The first subscriber of my channel is my father. And here the question from ngau lu lam pa me. Yeah. YouTube kana rangkang dai gom muang selo. And I have not yet earned the money from YouTube. Earn money, our channel must be monetized. To monetize, we need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time. To monetize your channel, need to create AdSense account. There is a question from this video Zeme Yama Dunagaira. Oh, the best. Okay. Thank you very much for your warm wishes. Up to Zebul dinner. And here is one message for the criticizer. Criticizer, I'm not going to scold you and I'm not going to say anything. And I just want to say thank you to all the criticizer of my viewers and subscribers. Because of your criticize, I become more better than before. So that is because of your criticize only. Thank you very much to those who support to my channel. Because of your support, I'm here up to this much.